It's the Smart app. Download it now.
Coming your way, especially on the second game day. Of course, this is the Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th ECJ Preseason Cup. Buti nadali ko yun, ha? Benji Santiago, kasama ko dito si Coach Ed Sturzi. And basically, when we're talking about more games to happen, meron pa tayong tatlo na ihahatid sa kanila, Coach Ed Sturzi.
Hindi lang tatlo, pero tatlong magagandang laro na
Yan.
talagang aabangan natin. And starting it off dito sa ating third game, we have Adamson Soaring Falcons kalaban ng FEU Tamaraws.
Dito tayo sa bracket ng UAAP. Ang dating natin dito, no? And etong FEU, basically, they're gonna be starting. Ito yung kanyang debut for this 17th season ng ating, ito nga, pre-season cup natin for Phil Oil Eco Oil ECJ. Ayan, alright. Well, of course, yun nga yung binabanggit natin. Ano? Ito yung mga lineup naman ng FEU Tamaraw. Some of these, at least a couple of players here, parang fresh from high school. Ito na, nakasampa na sila ng college and they're gonna be seeing action for today.
Yes, oo. Marami tayong inaabang-abangan dyan, lalo na tong VJ Pre, no? Paring Benji. And of course, yung holdover sila Miguel Ona, Joric Bautista, yan ang mga player na abangan natin dito sa larong ito.
Yan. Alright. So yan ang FEU Tamaraws. And of course, what's more exciting about the FEU Tamaraws, yung kanilang head coach.
Oo.
Sean Chambers yan eh.
Mr. 100%.
Diba?
Sean Chambers.
Yan ang
Alam mo,
matindi doon.
Panahon ng nanonood ako ng Ginebra versus Alaska. Siyempre, yan ang import ng Alaska. Ibang klase din talaga ang effort na pinapakita yan every game.
Well, we're going to be taking a look also at Adamson, who'll try to bounce back after that loss in their first outing sa ating opening day just last Saturday. At ito ang ating tournament format. Ang daming teams dito. Talagang single round robin lang kailangan dito for each bracket yan.
Oo, tama. And then top 4 of each group will advance to the knockout playoffs. Yan yung quarterfinals natin. And then, ayun na, knockout match na, semifinals and battle for third. Here's the knockout playoffs. This is how it looks like, Benji.
Yes, that's right. And not only that, they're looking forward na pumasok nga sila sa playoffs dahil for the ito lang yung pagkakataon na ang NCAA could meet UAAP
Exactly.
sa isang court lang.
Oo. What a way to prepare for your mother league than to have it here dito sa ating Phil Oil Eco Oil
All right, for
tournament.
the starters, let's go over sa ating venue announcer kay Ryan.
Good afternoon, Phil Oil fans. Live from the Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City. This is Game 3 of 5, day-to-day competition for your 17 Phil Oil Eco Oil ECJ Preseason Cup. This is the game featuring the Far Eastern University Tamaraws versus the Adamson University Soaring Falcons. And now the starters first for the FEU Tamaraws. Small forward number 28, Luke Felipe. Power forward number 16, VJ Pre. Center number 23, Mohamed Konate. Point guard number 31, John Ray Pasaol. And shooting guard number 5, Jedrick Da. Head coach for the Tamaraws is Sean Chambers, assisted by Derek Miranda and Victor Pablo. And now the starters for the Adamson Soaring Falcons. Small forward number 20, Manny Anabo. Power forward number 27, AJ Fransman. Center number 23, Ojarike Modiaga. Point guard number 1, Eli Ramos. And shooting guard number 22, John Galisay. Head coach for the Soaring Falcons is Nash Racela, assisted by Gilbert Lau.
And taking a look at the starters for this ball game, ang FEU, they got Jedrick Da. We're going to be seeing him in action once again. John Ray Pasaol, nandyan ha. And of course, ito nga si BJ Pre, yan. Para dito sa kabilang bahagi naman, nakita natin yung mga mag-i-start dito. Some of them are familiar faces pa rin. Pero alam naman natin, some of the schools during the off-season, o lalo na ito bago tayo mag-pre-season, maraming mag-merry-go-round kasi.
Oo. Maraming medyo change of lineup.
That's right. So here we go in the first quarter of action para dito sa ating third game for today. The second game day naman ng ating Phil Oil Eco Oil Preseason Cup. And let's see how this one works out. It's taking quite a while, 4 seconds to shoot and producing nothing. Now it's the turn of the FEU Tamaraws. Let's take a look. Ayan na si VJ Pre, first touch of the basketball. Coach, ano?
Oh, players that are lined up here, pwede lang dito yung mga eligible na maglalaro sa coming season ng collegiate nila.
Well, VJ Pre, parang binild up ni Coach Enster. Ayan na, living up to the billing. Getting the first basket. May swipe and steal pa ang FEU. Too strong of a drive to the basket. It results in a foul and that'll mean 2 free throws here for Jedrick Da.
Yung reason naman kaya player to watch natin, let's just see this one. Dun sa passing lane na yan, huling-huli as he takes off. Huli din yung braso niya when he took for that layup. Sinasabi natin kay Pret, diba, no, Benji? Kasi yung transition from high school to college basketball, nakita natin mahusay siya nung high school. Pero kung paano siya magka-transition sa big boys na liga, yun yung gusto nating abangan.
Ito pa isa, oh, si Jedrick Da. Dennis Da yung tatay nito. Also, ayan yung mga papakiramdaman nila kung paano naman ng laro sa kolehiyo. Split charities for Jedrick Da, but Adamson still has yet to get themselves on the board here. And Adamson, for one thing, let's see, somebody, sino ba nakashoot? Anabo? And it's a three-pointer nevertheless.
Ties the game 3-all, 8 minutes, 37 seconds.
In the meantime, here's the drop. Dipsy do shot up and under, producing nothing. Nagiging agresibo ito si VJ Press. We take a look at Ramos right now who gets fouled trying to get close to the basket.
Impending the motion. Ito yung
Three-point
kanina.
shot.
Yeah.
Jang Nan, hot shot three. Hot pot ba? Jang Nan na. Ayan. Pero pagka nakakain ako dyan, kabisado ko na yan.
Sabihin natin kay Boss Aldrian Ngo. May malapit dito, dyan malapit sa Robinsons Magnolia, yung Jiangnan na yan. Sarap dyan.
Anyway, eto ang Adamson. Tumikim na ng lamang rito as Ramos making both free throws. So Eli Ramos also, we got a chance to see him last year. So he stays here para sa Adamson. FEU orchestrating their half-court offense and play broken up. Adamson with a 2-point lead. Eli Ramos. Oh, another three! Delivered by Adamson.
2 3-pointers already for
And now they're up by 5.
Anabo.
Si Eli Ramos, alam ko, ito yung kapatid ni Dwight Ramos.
Tama,
diba?
pinutakti nga rito
Yeah.
si Dwight nung nanonood siya rito sa Phil Oil Eco Oil Center.
Jedrick Da also has a touch from the outside, showing us how it's supposed to be done. And getting a three-pointer for his first field goal. He's got 4. And Adamson having a tough time. The tight defense being applied here in the first quarter by the FEU Tamaraws.
Pinag-uusapan pa lang natin si Dwight Ramos. Ito na, nandito na.
Nandito na.
Oo, supporting his brother, ever supportive brother.
Okay na kaya yung injury nito? Eh, alam naman natin kasi nagre-ready rin ng gilas eh, di ba? In the meantime, FEU unable to do anything with that offense of theirs. And in transition, three-pointer, may dalawa na so far ang Adamson. Look at a hustle play, almost getting it back for Adamson right there. Ang FEU naman. Susubok. And this floater just couldn't get it to drop, but Jedrick Da gets an offensive rebound.
They're going to set it up again. Two-man game pa sa all.
How about that? So may dalawang tres din ang FEU rito. And that was Felipe. Luke Felipe. Look out for this guy for the Tamaraws.
Labanan ng 3-pointers, 2 each for Adamson and FEU.
Just over 6 minutes remaining sa ating first period. Nothing there. Just hit the glass. And here's a nice transition fast break. Konate with his first basket here para sa FEU.
So it's FEU trying to run the break every time they got that rebound. So mas fast-paced ang nilalaro ng FEU na mas half-court setup itong Adamson Falcons.
Inside and outside of operations for FEU. Here's the penetration, the kick out for Adamson. A three-pointer! Anabo burying another triple for Adamson. Answering right back, Jedrick Daa for FEU.
Grabe yung Anabo, tatlong 3-pointers na. Pero pagka-shoot na pagka-shoot, FEU running kaagad, making that basket.
Nevertheless, at the 13-11, it's FEU taking a 2-point lead and hot shooting coming from both teams. Ang nakikita natin rito with 5 minutes and 22 remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Again, 13-11. It comes to 3-point shooting. Tigalawang. We have seen a lot of those outside shots here. Ito pa isa, oh. So Digala na-convert. And right now, a 13-11 lead here para sa FEU. And Adamson is keeping it close. Here's a shot that won't go.
Siyempre, getting that defensive rebound. Ito yung mga paborito ng FEU na player. Yung mga mahaba, lengthy, tapos very athletic player. Laging meron ng FEU na ganyan eh.
It's going to be a change of personnel in this ball game.
So it's Anabo leading all scorers with 9 points. That's all coming from the 3-pointer.
Umalog. May vacuum yung ring, nahigop. Yung bola pumasok.
Mahusay itong batang to, Alvin Pasaol. Seen him play during his high school days. Talagang fighter.
Kapatid ba ni Alvin Pasaol yan?
Pinsan yata
Pinsan,
if I'm not mistaken.
Lahi, lahing basketballista talaga.
Ito mo naman yung shoulder, malapad din.
16-11, it's FEU with his 5-point advantage. As we enter the 4-minute mark of the first quarter. So FEU, just their first game. An air ball that time for Jedrick Daa. Here comes Adamson. They're down by 5. Oops. Huli. Recovery. Yun, nakabawi. Cedric Manzano is one guy na talagang kailangan tutukan ng depensa ng FEU. At tutukan natin ang atensyon, Coach Edster.
Oh, last game, he scored 9 points and had 7 rebounds, 2 steals, and 2 blocks. Talagang one of the main man for Adamson Soaring Falcons.
Quick turnaround. Not exactly an easy shot to make. Pero okay lang. John Ray Pasaol again. 18-13.
Oh, Pasaol and Bautista, 2-guard lineup for FEU. Pero umuhula pa rin ang tres para sa Adamson Soaring Falcons.
Carl Alexander, sali tayo sa shooting na shootout na nangyayari here in the first period. And that time around, VJ Pre is fouled. And he's going to the line. It's Cedric Manzano who'll pick up the personal.
First personal, subdivision
For Adamson, 3-point field goal percentage, it's 4 out of 6 already. Taas ng porsyento dyan sa 3-pointers for Adamson.
Let's get it first. And of course, we were talking about this guy. Now, hopefully, it's going to be 100%. We need his complete service for the national team. Marami, mga Olympic qualifier na masasalihan. 1916 here. It's FEU leading with 2 minutes and 44 remaining. Pero what hot shooting. Yung mga 13 ang gumagana here in this ball game. Second serving, there's a foul. Well, how about that aggressive move naman para kay Cedric Manzano.
Si Manzano is not that really athletic bench, pero galing din gumamit ng katawan eh. Dadahan-dahanin ka hanggat makalapit sa ring. And he's a lefty, kaya mahirap din depensahan.
Tama. Coming off the bench as he gets the first free throw. That's his 3rd point.
Lumabas yung Anabo dito sa Adamson who scored 3 3-pointers. Pumasok naman itong si Erolon, one of the better shooters also for Adamson.
Ay, kilala ko yan ah.
Oo nga.
The Flying. The Flying
Si
A.
Idol. Daming idol dito sa FEU bench.
Oo naman.
Tenok Miranda, of course. Vic Pablo. Looking at their bench, hindi ko makita si Coach Sean
Kaya nga
Chambers.
mukhang wala nga si Coach Sean eh.
So I'm wondering kung who is the one.
Well, si Coach Denok actually, nakatayo, madalas tumatayo para rito sa FEU. In the meantime, this is our score. A very close ball game. Panlamang na ito kaso hindi pumasok from the outside. They got the ball back. Pero Cedric Manzano actually running out of space, trying to save the ball from going out. It will go back to FEU.
Caught stepping on the line. Na magandang depensa ng both teams. The ball pressure, galing pa sa whole court ang pressure defense.
Ona, first handle of that basketball, trying to look for a teammate that he could pass to. Shot clock is down to 8. Oh, nice pass inside.
Veteran that he is, ito si Joric Bautista. Nakitang libre ang kanyang kakampi doon sa ilalim.
Maglasang scoring, pero of course, nakita natin doon yung great pass. Goggles! Ayan, di ba? Assist of the game is brought to you by Smart. Live more today.
Kung may hook shot, may hook pass din eh. And that was a great pass there by Bautista.
Great presence of mind. At saka yung kanyang court vision, ha? Ang lawak. Here we go. Unproductive offense para sa Adamson and FEU. Gustong idikdik sa loob. And there's going to be a foul.
Talagang tinatakbuhan nitong FEU Tamaraws, itong Soaring Falcons. Whenever they have that opportunity to run, they're running talaga.
Heading coming in for Alexander sa panig yun ng Adamson. Good touch here from the line. Well, 1 of 2, not bad at all. As they continue with the lead here, FEU 22-18. Just over a minute remaining. Away from the ball. Mismatch eh. Kaya kailangan magbigay na ng foul eh.
Yun nga, ipapaalala natin sa mga players. So yung mga screens off the ball, napaka-importanting tumatama yan eh. Kasi pag tumama yan, magkakaroon ng mismatch, just like what we saw earlier on.
Yes.
And then you maximize or you grab that opportunity, you try to go down low.
So play continues, baseline inbound para sa Adamson. They're down by 4. Nice two-man play. Naku, bitin nga lang yung floater.
Oh, pero 2 FEU players going for that rebound. Minsan yung sobrang aggressiveness as hindi nagkakaamo yan eh. Balik sa Adamson ang bola.
Well, let's see again this inbound play here. An open look for a 3. Air ball. FEU setting up their half-court offense here. Bautista firing. Unable. Good boxing out right there by Barasi. Ignacio. Ooh. Away from the ball. The contact was spotted here. Is this one going against Joric Bautista? Shut up.
Good screen. Oh. Good screen. Nagkaroon ng switch. Labanan sa ilalim. Barasi was able to pin down Bautista and nothing else to do but to foul Barasi dyan sa shaded lane. Most of the scores for Adamson coming from the 3-point area, 4 out of 9. 2-point field goal nila is just 1 out of 7. No, that's a total of 5 out of 16. While sa FEU, 8 out of 15. 5 out of 10 coming from the 2-point field goal.
Ganda kasi kanina, early goings eh. Bakbakan ng tres eh.
Oo, palitan eh.
Mario Barasi getting the second free throw. And it's a 1 of 2 trip. 22-19 FEU. All right, just a few seconds difference, game clock and shot clock before we end the first period of play. They're taking some time here. Shot clock down to 8. Time to make a move. And ang Adamson will utilize the foul.
They have fouls to give. They only had 3 team foul a while ago.
10.3 seconds remaining. A timeout has been called here, and we'll be right back with more.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
Back here, and of course, this is where a lot of basketball fans are really taking a closer look at. At syempre, saan kayo makakita? Diba? Yun nga yung sabi natin, UAAP, NCAA, sa isang venue lang. Pretty soon, magbabakbakan at magkaharap, magkicriss-cross din yan. For now, it's FEU is leading here with just 10 seconds remaining. Or basically, yes, 10.3 seconds remaining here in the first, enjoying just a 3-point lead.
And nakita natin sa bench, it's Coach Denok Miranda ang nagro-crockies doon para dito sa last 10-second play for FEU.
Meanwhile, may agaw pa ang Adamson. And what a bounce pass and a finish! Well, it was meant to be this way.
It was a well-designed play, kaso lang yung pasa eh. Dumiretso instead of a lob pass because Ona was open underneath.
At ito ang ating mga quarter highlights. Smart Powered Up plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Gain 8 gigabytes of all access. Only TikTok and only all net call and text for 7 days. Load now. Yan ang ginagamit ko eh.
And what a quarter we had. This was the last play anticipated by Adamson and finishing it off. 22-21 for FEU.
Close ball game. We expect something even closer when we come back with more.
When is our app not just an app? When it gives you more with every tap, it puts power in your hands and makes you feel special along the way. It's your account manager, bills viewer and payment partner, balance checker, promo loader, points collector, and rewards giver of the stuff you love. When is our app not just an app? When it's the Smart app. Download it now.
Welcome back. And of course, we are here at Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan. And you know what's happening right now on the second game day ng ating Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th ACJ Preseason Cup. Pahaba ng pahaba lagi. Binabanggit natin para sa liga na to.
Oo, the last time I was here,
Aha.
yung time na nasa coaching staff pa tayo ng Adamson Soaring Falcons
Yeah.
under Coach Leo Austria. Kaya ganito katatag itong liga natin. And it's so exciting to be part of the broadcasting panel already.
It all began here, ika nga, no? Talaga. VJ Pre unable, and they were unable to secure the basketball. They're just up by 1. There was that steal and a completion of a play for Adamson before time expired sa ating first quarter. Mainit pa ba, Andres? Aba, mainit pa rin!
So it's the outside shooting for Adamson Soaring Falcons versus the fast-paced game for the FEU Tamaraws.
John Calisay opening it up here in the second period as they grab the upper hand, leading by 2. Jedrick Daa in heavy traffic, and it's going to be contact. And ito yung 3-point shot. That's Jiangnan hot pot, hot shot 3. Hot pot ba? Jiangnan na.
Jiangnan na, siyempre.
Jiangnan na. Bukas yan hanggang matapos tayo rito, no? Oy, a violation ng FEU. Backing.
Tama. The Baguna was like saying na natapik, pero nung natapik, di naman pumunta sa kabila. So, dito pa rin sa front court yung bola.
Well, nevertheless, nakabawi sila rito because they came up with a steal. Let's see if they can manage to score. But before anything else, may foul muna na may tatawag laban sa Adamson. And John Calisay acknowledges the personal.
Grabe yung kumpiyansa nung Pasaol. 1 against 4. He knows parang makaya niyang i-outrun. And he was fouled on that instant.
Down by 2 itong FEU. Ignacio will return to the ball game to replace Cedric Manzano sa Adamson. Long inbound. Konate back on the floor here. Parang gusto ko makita kung may handles nga talaga ito si Konate.
Oo, mukhang sa labas naglalaro eh. Kanina pa is getting the ball far.
John Ray Pasaol. Pahirap ng pahirap yata yung mga tira ko, Chenser.
Kanina kumalog yung 3 points bago pumasok. And then the fast break, and this one slicing through the shaded lane. John Ray Pasaol. Hirap ba? Hirap ba ang pag-uusapan? How about a bank shot sa 3-point area?
John Calisay. Second period, 2 3-point shots already ng Adamson. And Konate underneath is going to be given a continuation. I do believe so. Yes, indeed.
I like the athleticism of this guy, but Alvin Pasaol getting that contact. That's our Haynes one-on-one highlight play of the game.
Haynes. Konate falling short. Unable to complete the 3-point play. Adamson sticking to their guns. They got an offensive rebound. License to shoot talaga para rito sa Adamson eh. Coach na, siguro, sige lang. Basta open, take it.
When you're shooting better in the 3-point area, 6 out of 11, compared to your 2-point area, 2 out of 8, then why not, di ba?
It shows in the numbers. So might as well go with those. Ito nga lang, pilit.
Masyado malayo yun.
Konate grabs the basketball. FEU down by 1. Could take over the lead.
Alam mo itong mga gwardiya ng FEU, tingnan mo yung Bautista, tingnan mo yung Pasaol. Ang lalapat, parang mas malapad pa sa mga Daa. Parang mas malapad pa sa mga big man ng mga FEU Tamaros.
Well, hindi na siguro bilis ngayon yung dapat asahan sa mga point guards na ganyan. Siyempre, power din, no?
Kasi alam mo, pag pine-pressure, ball handler ka, pine-pressure ka, yung mga maliliit na bump sa'yo, pag hindi mo kaya, mawawala yung bola. And I think that's the reason why they bulk up like this, itong si Pasaol at saka si Bautista.
Parang naalala natin yung panahon ni Denok Miranda. Hindi manipis na player si Denok.
Oo.
Nagwardya. Tabla tayo at 27, FPU with a chance to grab back the lead. First, you have to grab that basketball. And referee's whistle saw a foul on Adamson. And Adamson right now, sila naman ang penalty.
Maagang na penalty itong Adamson. 7 minutes 34 and FEU will look to maximize that one. Ito si Konate. Very athletic. Kanina first quarter, hinahabol talaga yung mga tumitira sa Adamson trying to get that block shots. Ngayon naman, offensive rebounding for him.
Mohamed Konate getting the first free throw. Seven and 31. Remember, Adamson is already in penalty. Kaya umaatake itong FEU. That's another foul. Konate will go back to the line. Sayang nga lang, point blank. Hindi niya na-convert.
No, akala ko, isasalpak niya na yung bola doon. But somehow, alam mo yun, yung basketball IQ of this guy, using his left hand to protect that ball. As he have more games, I'm sure he will get better.
I'm just a little intrigued. Yung number 16 ng Adamson, si Noah Pacquiao.
Yun.
Diba? How is he related? Wala ba tayong pwedeng pagtanungan dito?
Tanungin natin.
Si Coach Virgil kaya, sigurado alam niya yan eh.
Baka yung mga nanonood sa atin sa Facebook,
Jolie pa,
sa
diba?
streamers sa live stream natin, baka pwedeng mag-comment kung alam nyo,
kung
diba?
alam ninyo, diba? Sino tong Noah Pacquiao? Noah Miles Pacquiao. Shot clock down to 2. May nagawa pa yata ng paraan. Pero si Konate, intimidating factor kaagad on defense for FEU. FEU cannot convert.
Bilis talaga ng opensa ng FEU. No? Within 6 seconds, they're able to make an attempt on that fast break play.
Eli Ramos double teamed. They spot a foul instead. Si VJ Prea natawagan ng foul.
Pressure defense of FEU. Really trying to force some turnovers. Dito sa Adamson has 4 turnovers so far.
FEU foul again. It's going to be the second.
Tatlo na kaagad yan.
Froilan Maglasa nga natawagin ng foul. Eli Ramos about Barasi. Ayaw tumira. And Pacquiao! Kung pumasok. Ano ba na sinasabi? Pag kasi Pacquiao nakaka-connect. Yung money yun, yung money. 29-27. Bautista Let's see how this works out for FEU Tamaraos. And a foul on Adamson. Penalty sila. Is it Noah Pacquiao who was called for the foul on Bautista? Or no? Si Mantua yata.
Barasi.
Si Barasi.
Oh, number 9, Barasi. So far, it's John Ray Pasaol leading FEU with 8 points. Sa kabilang side naman, it's Anabo with 9 points. All those 3-pointers in Anabo during the first quarter.
FEU now leads by 3 after that conversion. Plenty of time here, 6:05 in the first half. 2 for 2. It's that conversion for Bautista, for Jorik Bautista. 31-27. Jorik Bautista getting himself on the board after making those 2 free throws, his first production here in this ball game. And by the way, once again, ang FEU, ito kanilang debut, ha? Dito sa ating Phil Oil Eco Oil Preseason Cup.
So far, FEU really pressuring that ball. Ang bilis ng switching nila every time na merong hand-off itong Adamson. And at times, double team pa dun sa bola. They try to went inside, turnover, and here's FEU.
Jedrick setting it up. Hindi pa nauubos ang 3-point shots itong dalawang teams na ito.
Ito naman talaga, ito si Jorik Bautista. Ang shooter talaga ito eh. Even the running shots that he has, something that I've always seen all throughout his career.
Earlier, Jorik with a 3, and right now they're reviewing the sequence here. Parang may naiwanang souvenir ang Adamson sa FEU. Technical.
Oh, it's a faking
a foul.
That's a second personal foul.
Second infraction,
Second infraction, kaya it's a technical. And in amateur, a technical foul is also a personal foul. That's why that's the second foul for Jorik Bautista.
Royce Mantua. Oh, I'm sorry. It's Noah Pacquiao is at the line. So, pag Pacquiao ang apelyido mo, kahit na anong sport ang pasukin mo, sigurado may pressure. Well, the technical foul muffed here by Noah Pacquiao. Nevertheless, ball will still stay para rito sa Adamson Soaring Falcons. And they're down by 7. Lumalayo na unti-unti itong FEU. Eli Ramos, the setup for the corner 3. Can't knock it down. FEU, hustle play.
Hustle play, that's what Pasaol really does, those hustle plays. And
the scoop! Di nga lang pumasok pero lumusot no? Maabilidad din to si John Ray Pasaol.
Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga lengthy forwards ng FEU kanina na talagang they were able to produce. Isa dyan talaga si
John Ray.
Sa mga gwardya naman, itong sila John Ray Pasaol at saka si Bautista. Sabi ko si Arwin Santos diba? Yung lengthy forwards nila. Sa Guardia, alam naman natin, the Flying A and Denok Miranda. So, that's where they try to build their team, the foundation of the FEU Tamaraos.
Barasi and Ignacio will go back to the bench. Oh! Off the inbound, tried a knockout play. It results in a foul. And Jedrick Da is going to be shooting too.
Ganda ng screen doon ni Baguno for Da. Parang may spring sa pa itong si Da. Bigla na lang lumundag doon for that lob pass.
At saka si John Ray, siya yung nag-inbound.
John Ray already have 5 assists in this ball game. That's 8 points and 5 assists for John Ray Pasaol.
FEU trying to establish their biggest lead, and it just happened. Jedrick Da making it 9 right now for FEU, 36-27. And then the trapping defense, saan pupunta ang Adamson rito? May nakahiga, may naipit, at tumagal na yung bola, nasipa pa. Luckily for Adamson.
And pressure talaga, ball pressure by the FEU Tamaraws. Hindi lang isa, talagang meron double team, especially yung corner na yon.
Oo nga eh.
Oo, talagang yan ang mga areas that you want your players trapping the ball handlers.
Punta lang kayo doon sa area na yun. Kung gusto nyo magpa-selfie kila Coach Joe, Coach Virgil.
Shot clock down to 3 seconds.
Eli against the double teaming defense. Yun. Hindi nakapag-execute ang Adamson.
One thing going for Adamson a while ago was their outside shooting. Credit na rin sa depensa ng FEU. They've been shutting down that shaded lane for quite a while already. Ngayon medyo hindi na pumapasok yung tira sa labas ng Adamson. Kaya medyo namamagana yung lamang ng FEU.
Mahirap yun. You live and die sa 3-point shot. Pesa pa lang tayo. Mahaba-haba pa ito eh.
Surprisingly, yung Anabo, who hit 3 3-pointers during the first quarter, not yet back in this ballgame.
Miss that 3-point shot for FEU. Adamson has got their work cut out for them. Let's see as they try to bring this gap closer. Down by this much, 9 points.
Again, shot clock down to 7.
Franzman. Si Budiang try to save the ball from going out. Okay naman. Na-reset pa to 14. So at least.
Yung mga hindi mo nakikita sa stats yan, hahabol, 50-50 ball, habol sa bola, babalik sa yung possession.
Samantala, Alexander from the outside. Naubos na ba ang bala when it comes to 3-point shooting for Adamson? That was their main weapon in the first few minutes of this first half.
Konate, 6th rebound in the ball game. 7 with that one and a putback. Ayaw!
Franzman, trying a Euro step. No, not this is VJ Pred to break up the play. Aba, di diretso yata. Si Konate was fouled by Mudianga.
Diba? So far, Konate showing a good account of himself. 6.6 rebounds in the ball game. 9-point lead for FEU Tamaraws. First free throw is good. Kanina pa siya dyan sa free throw line, pabalik-balik. Second one, miss.
7.67 rebounds para kay Mohamed Konate. Lead is 10 right now for FEU Tamaraws. Outside shot. Meron pa. Meron pa naman John Kalisay.
Pangatlo na yung Kalisay. Third three-pointer for him.
Yung isa nga kanina, pabanda pa eh. No? Sasagot ba ang FEU? Not that time. Didn't work out for FEU.
Good line for Joric Bautista. Short lang on that one.
Let's see, Adamson mostly relying on their outside shots. See if they could actually change on how they're going to be executing here. 8 to shoot. Para sa Adamson. The drive, Alexander. Mahirap-hirap yan. 5 points in the ball game for Carl Alexander. And the lead has been cut down also to 5 here with that great aggressive move by Carl Alexander. They need more from him and the rest of the guys for Adamson. We get a 5-point game going into this timeout.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
Things are looking up and very good for FEU Tamaraws, pero hindi naman pwede. Panoorin din lang sila ng kanilang kalaban ng Adamson Soaring Falcons. Down by 10, had a good run, cutting that deficit to half. And we get a 5-point ball game as we continue with so much more of the action here. Benji Santiago, Coach Ed's Third C. Samahan nyo kami dahil hanggang mamaya pa kami. Ayaw namin maging lonely. Weekend pa naman.
Oo, after neto, may dalawa pa tayong laro.
That's right. 2 minutes remaining here in the first half. We have seen the amazing John Ray Pasaol making a move. Getting the basket against 3 defenders. He's having fun.
Oo. Look at this. Shaking off his defender. Alam mo yun yung tamang bangga lang, tamang konting bump to create that separation. Getting that teardrop to go and a foul.
Pwede niya nga ibigay kay Konate, libre. Pero mas maganda nga naman tingnan against 3 defenders and 1.
Sabi niya, pag namintis ko naman to, marirebound mo.
Yun. 11 points for John Ray Pasaol. Good showing. And he's also got 6 assists.
Oh.
So hindi lang siya points guard, Coach Edster. Point guard din siya.
A point guard with a threat in the offensive end. Erolon. Alam nating shooter ito and he showed it on that instant with a 3-pointer.
First basket for Erolon. Yun talaga pa rin ang panlaban ng Adamson ng kanila 3-point shooting. Marami ba silang baon yan? They're keeping it close. Oh, huli! Pero hindi kulong. Pinura nga lang yung tira. And a completion by Franzman at the other end from defense to offense here for Adamson.
That's what happens when you have a good defensive play. Like what happened in that instant running the break is the Adamson Soaring Falcons.
Less than a minute remaining here. And just a 3-point game here. Another shot block. Franzman naman turn to stop it. That's John Ray Pasaol. Take a look at this defensive play of the game. It's brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kung medyo tumagal-tagal, baka nga dumikit na talaga yung bola doon sa kamay.
Dalawang 2 defensive efforts by Adamson, 2 block shots.
Oh! Sayang, traveling. Akala ko ang ganda na kumkum na si John Ray. Pero nakikita pa rin niya yung mga kampi niya.
Ang reminiscent of a Johnny Abarientos
I know.
move.
Yun nga
Nakala
yun
mo wala nang pupuntahan bilang dishing it off at the last minute.
Anyari. Official timeout. I think there's something confusing about sa clocks natin. Okay, so there's just going to be this temporary lull here. It's still got a very interesting ball game happening here with FEU still up by 3 and Adamson making a good run, still hitting those outside shots.
If you notice, Benji, dito sa venue natin, the timer and the shot clock that we're using right now is brought to us by Cantigo Sports. Yan, para na maganda pagkakasync natin dito sa live stream coverage natin. Wait, wala pa yung dalawang referee.
Ayun
Teka
naman,
lang,
no?
conferring pa, conferring. Okay, looking at...
Bagay, Biyernes kasi ngayon, maraming lakad, maraming gimmick ngayon.
but this is such a close ball game that we have right now.
From a high of 10 yan,
Oo,
Coach.
high of 10. Nakala nga natin, kakawala na itong FEU Tamaraws with the kind of up-tempo offensive that they have been showing. Pero biglang nag-click uli yung outside shooting netong Adamson, Kalisay, and Erolon hitting clutch baskets while Alexander was able to get that penetration move a while ago.
So, 3 referees conferring. Makausap nila, yun. Actually, yung technical head kasi si Levi Valenzuela, birthday ngayon eh.
Yun nga eh, talaga.
Siya ba kausap or hindi? Pero happy birthday kay Levi Valenzuela. Wala ka ba dalang chicharon from Bulacan?
Si Sir Levy, tagal natin nakasama.
Oo naman.
Oo, and SBP head is here. Nothing but the best dito sa ating Phil Oil Eco Oil Tournament. 17th
It's what they're
preseason cup.
reviewing, yung sequence. Pero there was that whole confusion of the buzzer sounding off. Diba? Yun lang naman yun eh. I don't think there is a foul or anything there.
I think they're just checking the time.
I see yun. Oo, parang alam ko nga, doon tayo nagka-problema doon sa time. Okay. Huwag niyo lang i-reset na mag-start tayo ng quarter again. Ha? Seconds na lang ito. 45 seconds na lang. All right, we continue. Alexander was able to cross that midcourt line. They're just down by 3, huh? Another outside shot as they go inside. Oh, two-handed slam at German ito.
Adamson have been trying to run that play. Talaga kanina yung Barasi eh. Yung nagkakaroon ng switching was the one being left with a mismatch. But right now, the big man. Oh, another steal. Dito naman by Alexander.
Lumamang na nga ang Adamson. After trailing by as much as 10 points. Big bounce back here. 41-40. Oh! Counts! Man, oh man. Yun naman. Miracle shot.
It's a foul number 27, AJ Vanson, second personal.
Chance for a 4-point play para dito kay Bautista.
Ito naman, Bostik El General Palaban play brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kita niyo yan? And Bautista absorbs the contact, gets the basket. Rare 4-point play to be completed here. And all of a sudden, the lead changes. A few seconds remaining here in the first half. Lamang muli ang FEU 44-41. 1 second pa. Meron pang kailangang instructions sa may dole out para rito sa Adamson dahil 1 second. We will hang on. We will hang on. And once again, FEU playing their first game dito sa ating preseason cup na ito. Pero tingnan muna natin itong Smart Power Dunk brought to you by Smart Prepaid eSIM. It's now available for digital delivery through the Smart Online Store for only 99 pesos. Well, how many of those guys really can do a throwdown like that? The dalawang kamay pa.
And that was a good lob pass by Alexander. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng switch. Small man was on him. Itong si
Ojarikre.
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 And yun na, sinalpak na yung bola to make sure that they got that 2 points.
1 second remaining. Adamson, still getting instructions for one final quick play. Hindi na ako mas magugulat rito kung hahanap sila ng open man to take a long shot.
Oo, but they're be inbounding on the backcourt.
Yun lang.
Ito yung mga maganda rin panoorin. Situational timeouts and nag-crockies. Ma-follow ba ng player yung crockies?
44-41, Kalisay. Well, they needed a quick play. somehow it is still going to be a very, very interesting ball game that we're all going to be witnessing here. FEU had a chance to take a 10-point lead. And all of a sudden, erased right away. And the lead changed for Adamson for quite a while. I think quarter highlights brought to us all by Smart Powered Up. Brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data. Only TikTok and only all net call and text for 7 days. Load now. You can do that dahil halftime tayo. Pahinga lang muna.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Tampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sino-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan! Roam if you want to. Roam around the world without anything but the love we feel.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all!
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
Enjoy only 5G data, only calls and texts, and only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $999. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Generation Z. Authentic. Real. They thrive in the mundane. But, let's be real, nobody knows what they want. Only they truly understand.
For real?
Yeah, but that's okay. We get what you need. Guys, where are we going now?
Anywhere! Mountain, beach, middle of nowhere!
Why?
Cause we can!
Well, let me help out. Smart 5G. Best in 5G coverage experience and best in 5G availability.
Oh wow, those are a lot of apps!
That's fine. When you got Powerall, you could do it all. Multiple apps? No problem.
Whoa! From Wi-Fi to data in an instant.
Yes, sir. Magic Data saves you anytime you need it.
And it doesn't expire?
That's right.
Cool! Dead spot.
If only you could switch in an instant. Oh, wait.
What? eSIM is that easy?
For
For real kasi!
backed up by nationwide coverage. So, yeah, nobody knows what Gen Zs want, but we can keep up with real connection and real fast data. Live for real with Smart 5G plus nationwide LTE, Powerall, Magic Data, and eSIM.
You guys pretty much know what we need.
Live more today.
When is our app not just an app? When it gives you more with every tap. It puts power in your hands and makes you feel special along the way. It's your account manager. Bills viewer and payment partner, balance checker, promo loader, points collector, and rewards giver of the stuff you love. When is our app not just an app? When it's the Smart app. Download it now.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Kampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sino-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan! Roam if you want to. Roam around the world without anything but the love we feel.
Get 8 gigabytes of all-access power.
To do it all.
Plus only TikTok to scroll and share non-stop. Power, work, life, and more. With Smart Power all-access data now up to 90 days. Load now.
Enjoy only 5G data, only calls and texts, and only Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plans starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, only with Smart Postpaid.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid. Generation Z, authentic, real. They thrive in the mundane. But let's be real, nobody knows what they want. Only they truly understand.
For real?
Yeah, but that's okay. We get what you need. Guys, where are we going now?
Anywhere! Mountain, beach, middle of nowhere!
Why?
All right, welcome back. We are at the half, and it's FEU just leading by 3 points, 44-41. They had a chance to come up with a double-figure output, pero nakabalik nga itong Adamson, especially with a hot shooting from the outside. Taking a look at some of the plays that happened back in the first 2 quarters. Umpisa pa lang, coach, shootout na nangyari.
First quarter, Anabo hitting 3 3-pointers para dito sa Adamson, and then there was the lob play inside for Adamson, Falcons, while dito gumagante rin ng 3-pointers itong Adamson. 5 out of 9 for that's for FEU, 5 out of 9 sa FEU, and 8 out of 19 para sa Adamson.
Look at the number of 3-point shots delivered by both teams, total of 13 in the first 2 quarters. And look at Adamson with 8. Pagdating naman sa assist department, of course, FEU with their 12, a +3. And then the turnovers, okay lang eh. 2 quarters na yan, 6 and 7 lang respectively for FEU and Adamson. And of course, Bostik El General halftime stats, all brought to you by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. So we're just about ready to give out the action sa ating second half at Jandre Pasao leading all scorers with his 11. Anabo Simulayan, he's got 9. Kalisay also trying to help out. Joric Bautista. Kanina nga, 4-point play pa yan. And of course, Alexander, Manzano, Erolon, that's for Adamson, and Daa, Conate, and Felipe with 8, 7, and 3 respectively for FPU. Still anybody's ball game. Taking a look at once again kung paano tatakbo. Eto pa, napakarami nating teams. 2 liga ang pinanggagalingan. Single round robin lang tayo for each bracket sa umpisa, ha? And then, pag naging top 4 teams na in each group will advance to the knockout playoffs, and then the battle for third, meron tayo. At ito ang ating knockout playoff picture dito.
Then quarterfinals, top 4, and then semifinals and best of 3 for our championship game.
Nakita nyo yung mga criss-cross na yun pagdating ng playoffs. Magtatagpo na yung 2 liga, UAAP and NCAA. Welcome once again, Benji Santiago, Coach Ed Sursi, and letting you get excited for what's gonna happen here in the first half. Actually, 3 games po ang ihahatid namin sa inyo ni Coach Edster. Nagsisimula pa lang kami basically.
Yeah, so next game would be Lyceum versus Anbeta, and then UST versus La Salle.
Adamson hitting it from the corner, and that delivers.
Franzman.
Si Franzman.
Pareha shooter kasi Anabo and Franzman was there. An extra pass for him to get that open shot.
Tabla tayo. Imagine that, 44 all. Conate trying to save the ball because he was actually off balance dun sa headline. Pero 5 seconds ang execution na lang para sa FEU.
Oh, naubusan ng spasyo dun yung Conate. Getting that entry pass. Let's see the baseline inbound.
And we are live, Smart Sports, Smart Live Stream sa YouTube, sa Facebook, para sa ating Phil Oil, Eco Oil Sports. Yun naman pala, YouTube, Facebook. Mamili na kayo, Smart Live Streaming pa tayo.
Kanina, our viewers are around 1,200 viewing us here sa ating Phil Oil, Eco Oil, ECJ 17th Preseason Cup.
We're pretty sure they are getting a lot of attraction. The fan base nila ng bawat schools. Siyempre, yung mga parents pa rito, nakakita nga tayo rito. Last time we covered them, high school pa sila.
High school pa,
pagbalik, eto na, kolehiyo na sila.
Mama na gumalaw eh. Batiin ko lang si Irish Pablo, ang misis ni Vic Pablo. Kasama natin yan sa AXA Philippines.
Parang kilala ko to Sinika Celis to Basketball to Pero nasa volleyball player ng UP. Present dito. 47-44 FEU. Iba yun yung ating Wonder Woman sa liga natin sa volleyball. Samantala, Adamson. Maganda naman So maganda ang ginagawa preparation actually nitong 2 teams na to, getting ready for the regular season.
Yeah, so 2-man game. Alexander to Manzano. Great execution.
It's been quite a while, lalo na para rito yung FEU Tamaraws, no? They are really a powerhouse when it comes to, di ba, university ball games.
Conate doing very well in this ball game. 7.7 rebounds. Lengthy big man for FEU. So far, the past season, ito yung missing link nila. They had like, diba, sila Abarrientos, Gonzalez. They have those guards, wings, and the missing link is a big man. And so far, Conate is doing very well in this game.
Although, konti practice pa sa free throws. Isa-isa 48-46, FEU is on top by just 2. Ito naman ang Adamson. Alexander, open look. Franzman unable to connect from the outside. Good hustle play. Nagawa ng paraan ng Adamson to get back the basketball. And Franzman nakabawi with a layup.
Manzano was able to steal that ball from FEU, turning that trash to gold for their offense.
Tie ball game. Adamson again with that opportunity to take the lead. Let's see how they do this. Wasn't exactly a win para sa Adamson in their first outing during opening day. Gusto nila makabawi.
Oo, against UE.
Oo.
Manzano, not really athletic, pero kita mo, switching left to right against two defenders, getting that 2 point.
He'll get the job done. Cedric Manzano. Marami na nga nag-i-scout dito eh. Malaki din kasi, di ba?
Malaking lefty, knows how to use his body.
Konate unable with that turnaround. It's Adamson. Can they add up to this 2-point lead that they have? Yes! Hindi pa rin nauubusan ng bala when it comes to shooting threes.
Alexander, that's his second three-pointer of the ball game. Talagang mas maganda ang shooting or mas maraming pang attempts sa three-pointers itong Adamson. 22 attempts compared sa 16 na 2-point field goal attempts nila.
Sometimes you would say that could turn out to be a rarity when you have a more efficient shooting three-pointers rather than two-pointers, because those are big baskets. Taking a look at this, talking about this three-point shot, that's Jiangnan hot shot three, hot ba Jiangnan.
Catch and shoot there for Alexander. I think FEU is doing very well doon sa interior defense nila. That's a reason why somehow Adamson napipilitan din to really take those outside shots. And they've been making those shots.
The proper bench decorum warning pa na itawag dito sa Adamson Falcons. Although they have this 5-point lead. Jedrick Da unable with that knockout play sana para rito sa FEU.
They run that play during the first half where Da was able to score and won, not on that instant.
Shot clock is down to 6. May agaw. Jedrick Da for FEU. They'll settle for the half-court offense. Jedrick once again getting that pick from Konate. Ay, traveling.
Naubusan ang spasyo at the last minute. Opted to pass. Ganda ng depensa ng Adamson that forced that turnover.
And that's also holding para rito sa Adamson. Yun nga, naka-recover sila down by 10. Ngayon, lamang pa sila. And protecting this 5-point lead.
Ang daming mistisong player dito sa Adamson. Naalala ko nung time namin, mistiso lang dyan, si Rodney Brondial Ngayon, daming mistiso.
Shot clock down to 6. Alexander up and under. Nope. On a 10th rebound. Pero basically, we have been stuck here with this 53-48 output nitong dalawang teams na ito. Chandre can't pull up. Shot clock is down to 8. Let's see if this one works out. Turn out to be pasa ba yun? Hindi ata tira yan. Naging assist pa tuloy.
This three-guard lineup right now for FEU. Kulang yung tulak sa box out doon. And somehow...
Pero ganun nga yan, Coach. Talaga may kikredit ba na assist yun?
Depende yan sa statistician. But I think that's really an attempt for Joric Bautista.
Yun nga lang, hindi makompleto o maglasang. Maglasang has 4 points in the ball game. And Adamson protecting this 3-point lead. Uh-oh. Yun na, nakaagaw na. And this is going to be an easy-peasy one for Joric Bautista, who's got 11 points in the game.
Maganda yung depensa ng FEU dito sa hand-off plays ng Adamson. Nakakaagaw sila. Again, another Steal. Oh, too fancy there. 3 against 1. They will settle for a half-court setup.
Nag-Jokic wrap around eh. By the way, kanina po tambak ang Denver ha. Taking a look at this smart switch move. Switch to smart without changing your number to experience fast connectivity and nationwide coverage. Visit any smart store to learn more. All part of the defense that we have actually witnessed
Maganda
here.
yan, no? Smart switch. Kung sentimental ka sa number mo, ayaw mong bitawan, but you want a
Yeah.
better network to service you.
Malapit ko na silang kausapin. In the next few days, may bago na naman akong telepono. I'm smart. Yeah. Anyways, 53-52 tayo dito. Uy, 0.6 na lang ito. 0.6! What can you do with 0.6?
Alam mo, kanina, FEU is the one forcing Adamson na maubos yung shot clock, eh, di ba? Ngayon, it's Adamson forcing FEU to really to be passive in their offensive plays in the 0.6 seconds remaining.
Dahil naitira pa yun. Tumama naman sa ring. Pero yun yung mga klase na situation na wala nang isipan yun. Diretso ka ng tira nun. Adamson up by 1. Referee's whistle halts play here.
Drawing foul number 22.
A foul is called on FEU. So si Gordon.
Second personal.
Si Omar Gordon.
Second personal foul.
15-second shot.
Side court inbound for Adamson.
Eli Ramos. Atrasabante. Atake. Off balance and everything. Banking it in.
May option eh, di ba? Nagkaroon ng switch. The option was, punta ka ba dun sa ilalim kasi may mismatch? Or dito tayo sa ibabaw, may mismatch siya sa speed. And he went straight to the basket.
Adamson up 3, 55-52. FEU. Shot clock down to 6. This is going to be big. Dodo can't hit it. They got an offensive rebound underneath. Gawa ng paraan.
Miguel Ona, sarap ng player na kayang bumuhay ng bola. Yan ang ginawa ni Ona for FEU.
First basket for Ona. Ona pa lang pala niya yun.
3 minutes, 6 seconds remaining. Talagang sobrang dikita ng laro natin dito. 55-54 for Adamson.
Mario Barassi was lifted by Ojarike. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Apelido or pangalan niya, Eli Ramos right now, Adamson. Hairline lead, madadagdagan ba? No, that's offline for Eli Ramos. And then the battle for the loose ball. And talk about the effort right there for Adamson, especially eto nga, player number 23. Oh, there's a foul.
Second personal foul for Ona. Hesitation play. Eli Ramos going for his big man.
FEU, chance to grab back the lead with 2.5 remaining here in the third. They go for that big basket. Unable, air ball. They got it back though. Shot clock continues to go down dahil hindi tumama ng ring yun. Are they aware? Hindi pa rin tumama ng ring yun, pero napunta na ang bola sa Adamson.
Good half-court defense again by Adamson Soaring Falcons. Really challenging the outside shooting of FEU.
Gordon inventing a baseline drive. That's going to be a foul. Eli Ramos will go back to the bench. Yes, but he, of course, is still getting some instructions from the coaching staff ng Adamson. Nice fake. Nice ride. Hang time. Gets it to go down off the window.
Even flexing his muscle in that last play was Mantua over Ona.
Si Royce Mantua getting his first basket, pero the way he was able to deliver that, medyo impact points for Adamson.
I was about to say, Ona, ganda ng pagkakatipensa. Pagtalon, hands up lang eh. But Mantua getting a better of him, getting that score for Adamson.
Really can spark something here. Royce Mantua is one player na inaasahan ni Coach Nash. It will be so efficient for him also. Adamson just by 3 for the tie. And Omar Gordon delivers. Long tula.
Long tula. The referee was really signaling that he was stepping on the line.
So Adamson still on top, just by 1. 82 seconds here in the third. Aggressive move to the basket with that turnaround, producing nothing. This ball going out, and it will go the other way na ba? Yes. Oo, FEU. Ang bola.
Si Anabo, after his first three-pointers during the first quarter.
Wala na, no?
Oo, hindi ko pa nakikitang uma-attempt dito sa three-pointer dito sa second half. And a turnover by FEU. Balik ng bola sa Adamson and Cedric Manzano coming back in the ball game.
That's the time remaining, a minute and 12. Adamson so far outscoring FEU here in the third, 16-12. Was going to take the shot here. Unable, getting it back. Great effort right there for Royce Mantua. Here he goes again. Ayaw pa rin!
Oh! Back-to-back turnover for FEU. Masakit yan since naghahabol sila. They were able to have that defensive stop.
John Ray Pasaol. Medyo, it's not the way he was playing back in the first half, and everything that he organizes and everybody responding for their execution. This time parang nauna na siya.
New point guard for Adamson, Edding. Agaw na naman ang FEU. Ito, tumatakbo na si Joric Bautista.
Oy, bitin! Second try. It's a good thing Baguno was there.
Lead back to FEU, 58-57.
And going for the last shot. No basket for Cedric Manzano. 9.2 remaining.
Tawag na referee sa baba ang foul, so basket will not count. Wala pa sa penalty ang FEU, so it's just a sideline inbound for Adamson.
Austin runs zone. Mag-inbound for Adamson, taking a look. Some of the players, eto na. Laruin naman natin yung mga iba para magkaroon din ng exposure. That's all the purpose din of pre-season. Cedric Manzano finding a way to score underneath to bring back the lead para sa Adamson. And ending the action here in the third quarter with a close ball game. Forget about what happened. FEU thought they have it easy. At itong ating quarter highlights na nagaganap rito. Smart Powered Up plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data, only TikTok, and only all net call and text for 7 days. Load now. 1-point lead for Adamson. How long can they hang on to that? And we still have the final 10 minutes. Itong ball game between FPU and Adamson when we return for more of Phil Oil Eco Oil Preseason Cup.
When is our app not just an app? When it gives you more with every tap. It puts power in your hands and makes you feel special along the way. It's your account manager, bills viewer and payment partner, balance checker, promo loader, points collector, and rewards giver of the stuff you love. When is our app not just an app? When it's the Smart app. Download it now.
Welcome everyone as we are just about to start with our fourth quarter. Tingnan naman natin ang ating Tropa Moment. Yan ang budget Tropa Moment. Dala ng TNT. Mag-load na sa inyong suking tindahan. Ayun naman ha. Welcome. Here we go. Talaga truly deserving of a great weekend. It's a Friday. Parang lahat may lakad pag Friday.
Oo nga, pero tayo nandito, nag-enjoy sa laro. Malamig sa ating venue.
Tayo lang daw magwa-warm up para sa mga gimmick nila. Mamaya pa yan eh. Hapon pa lang kasi nga naman eh. FEU opening it up with a three-pointer. And John Ray Pasaol at it again. Kailangan eh.
Yung FEU, lalaman ng sandali ang Adamson. Binabawi ka agad ang kalamangan. 2-point lead for FEU.
Franzman, that pass nearly lost underneath. Shot clock is down to 5. Who's going to take it for Adamson? It's down to 2. Pilit ito, inabot. VJ Pre. Defense by VJ Pre ng FEU. 2-point advantage para sa Tamaraws. Jorik in the paint, turn around. Nope. Loose ball foul is going to be called against FAU.
That's against Conate. Good box out there by Cedric Manzano. So you know that Conate loves to really go for that rebound. So you have to put the body on him every time.
Well, of course, Conate is being matched up here to naman si Ocharicre. An air ball on that shot attempt from Franzman.
So far, FEU is 19 of 47, 40% compared to 22 out of 50, 44% for Adamson.
A remarkable three-point shooting din para rito sa Adamson. Hitting 10. 6 for FEU. Is the penetration. Alexander. Franzman inside the key. And gets the bounce.
That's a good shot for Franzman. Oh, nag-miss siya kanina. Now, up fake to dribble, pull up. That's a good shot for him.
Anthony John Franzman is 9 points in the game. All tied up at 61. That's an air ball.
Good defense by Adamson. Forcing that fadeaway shot from John Ray Pasaol.
Not at all that bad for John Ray Pasaol to be taking responsibility for most of the shots. He's got 17, leading all scorers.
Batiin ko lang si Ryan Monteclaro who is watching here sa live stream natin dito sa ating Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th Season Cup ECJ.
They try to lob inside. That was deflected. And in transition, John Ray. Tumingin na nga sa side mirror. Alam niya may kasunod eh. Di ba?
Oo, alam niya may kasunod. And umahabol itong si Kalisay. Just enough to get that foul in that N1. And it extends their lead to 2, 63-61.
19 big points for John Ray Pasaol. And you know he's not going to stop. And he adds up to his production a total of 20 right now. And FPU up by 3, 64-61. Well, if you got time, if you have been watching sa ating live stream, gusto nyo tanggalin na yung stream, gawin nyo ng live, puntahan nyo lang kami rito. Phil Oil Eco Oil Center in San Juan.
Enjoy the games with us here.
Yes.
Bumawi.
Especially mga susunod natin mga games, Coach Edster.
Oo. Bumawi yung Kalisay. Kalisay kanina, 3 3-pointers. Right now, he got that one to go. Cuts the lead to 1.
LPU San Beda pa tayo.
LPU San Beda, UST Lasal for our next 2 games.
Oh my goodness. This is going to be an action-packed weekend. And being brought to you here by Phil Oil Eco Oil 17th ACJ Preseason Cup. As we take a look at this 1-point lead for FEU and a chance for Adamson to grab back the lead. They lost the opportunity because they lost the basketball.
Unforced turnover. This is the Kalisay with that move.
Smart Signature move of the game brought to you by Smart Signature Plan Plus. Enjoy only 5G and more starting at $9.99 per month. Apply now. Parang ang dami na nangyayari sa telepono natin, Coach Edster. Naiiwan na ako para pag-aralan siyang lahat.
Athletic move there by Daa. 3-point lead now for FEU.
Well, of course, thank you, thank you. Alam mo naman na Smart, di talaga papahuli yan. Kailangan laging unang-una yan eh. The innovations, Smart. And of course, the live streaming we have for all of you. How about this mid-range? Lean in, the putback ayaw pa rin. And ball being tossed around, ending up with FPU. Hang time!
Grabe, Pasaol. No, yung kumpiyansa niya to try to get that bump talaga and separation. Pag isa't isa lang, kaya niya gawa ng paraan.
John Ray Pasaol, 22 points in the game. FEU trying to come up with a runaway margin here. And Adamson have lost their touch from the outside somehow. Let's see if they can get it back. 68-63. Walang kapaguran na John Ray Pasaol.
Oo, 22.7 assists. Kaya ngayon, naka 1-4 sila para sa kanya. 25 big points for Pasaol.
John Ray. Now, how do you stop a player like that? Pwede kang atakihin, pwede kang tirahan sa labas. Well, he's showing itong caliber ng isang John Ray Pasaol. That's John Nan Hot Pot Hot Shot 3. Hot Pot ba? John Nan na. John Ray Pasaol, 25 big points as they have this lead. 71-63.
FEU hindi nawawala ng ganyang player from LJ Gonzalez. Diba? Ngayon itong si John Ray Pasaol, their go-to guy, pinagpahinga muna ng konti. They have this 8-point lead.
Eli Ramos, napakialaman yung play pero nabawi ng FEU. In and out, second serving. May aangat ba? Nagawa niya na parang...
Alam mo yung...
EJ Pre.
Oo, talagang perseverance for EJ Pre over 2 defenders to give them a double-digit advantage.
At saka ito pa kinaganda ng mga preseason cup natin eh. Parang you want your coach, especially kung bagong player ka, na makilala ka.
Oo.
This is what I can do, coach.
O kung ano yung pwede mong i-contribute,
Yeah.
kumbaga.
Mas bahala ka na, coach, sa mga karugtong pa na development ng kanilang playing career here at college and university. As they continue to pour in the points, and don't look now, FPU takes a 12-point lead. Biggest so far in this ball game, and this is already the fourth quarter. Timeout called by Adamson.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po tayo sa mga pangyayari dahil of course meron pa tayong 3 minutes and 29. Yun nga lang, unti-unti nang naiiwanan itong Adamson. And FPU getting some more accurate shots for them, favoring them to lead by as much as 12 points. Pero kaya pa naman. We've seen that happen kanina. No? Yung 10 lamang, sandali rin lang naman binura ng Adamson yun.
Oo.
But of course, they need to get some stops.
With the kind of defense naman that Adamson is giving FEU, I'm sure kayang-kayang i-wipe out itong double digit. But again, for FEU, ang ganda naman nilalaro nung pasaol for them.
Floater for Alexander. Doesn't go down. Here comes FPU. Cedric Manzano, the wrong save. Maybe an opportunity for them to get a basket here. Eli. This is going to be big. Kaso it fell short somehow.
Kung magsa-set up ka lang naman ng 3-pointer mo, you want to set up Anabo because he had 3 3-pointers during that first quarter run.
Pero tahimik na si Anabo, coach, after that first quarter. His total of 9, hindi na nadagdagan. Well, they need to score. Naku, traveling pa yan.
Meron siyang minsan ganun no? Nagalaw, biglang may hesitation in terms of the kind of movement that he had. Maybe being intimidated by the outstretched arms of Konate, forcing him to do some steps and travel.
75-63. 12-point ball game that we have here. Shot clock down to 8. How about this? It's a long 2. Nevertheless, still a basket for FPU. BJ Press, sabi niya, sumubok lang siya.
Oo, sumubok lang. Laman naman tayo ng konti.
Kaya
no?
pwede na mag-eksperimento. Nice fakes going for the shot. And still, eto si Erolon. He's got 5 points in the ball game.
Yun yung maganda. Pag shooter ka, hahabulin ka sa labas. Das one up fake, tumalon yung depensa, one dribble pull up, good for Erolon.
BJ Pre. Kick out. Naitira. Unable.
They need to score quick baskets here. So we're down to 1 minute and 5 seconds in our ball game.
Cedric, the short jumper, while Konate's presence is already defense for FEU. Tumayo lang siya, naiilang na yung binabantayan
He's not just tall and long, pero athletic pa itong si Konate. That's the reason why I've been really helping FEU in the rebounding and block shot department.
The foul is called on Noah Pacquiao.
So if there's one thing that he needs to improve, that's Konate. It's his free throw shooting. He's 4 out of 9 in the free throw line.
LPU Pirates, Lyceum of the Philippines University taking on the Sun Better Red Lions after this ball game. So from UAAP, papunta naman tayo ng NCAA mamaya, Coach Edster.
The last game, balik UAP, UST versus LaSalle.
LaSalle. FEU unable to score, pero Adamson trailing and time is not exactly on their side.
It's good extra passing for Adamson, passing it to Ignacio for that to cut the lead to 10.
Looking at this play for Allen Ignacio, his first basket. Pero parang too late pahiro ang dating. Because there's still a big lead being enjoyed here. 10 points para sa panig ng FEU Tamaraws. They're utilizing the clock for one thing. At saka okay na. Basically, this is all over. Oh, Ignacio unable to score. That's the end of the ball game. FEU, they were threatened for about 3 quarters. Tooth and nail battle happening between the two teams. One has to take a win. And for FEU, their first game, their first win. And right now, ito pa rin ang ating mga Smart Powered Up plays brought to you by Smart Power All 99. Get 8 gigabytes of all access data, only TikTok and only all net call and texts for 7 days. Load now. Let's see BJ Pre. And of course, Chandre Pasao and FEU with a very convincing way to play their first game to consider, 77-67. At ang ating Puso Pilipinas Player of the Game, walang iba, talagang ginawa niya lahat. Chandre Pasaol from point guard to points guard.
25 points, 7 assists, 3 rebounds, and that's was a clutch 3 para dito kay Pasaol to give FEU the win.
Well, congratulations kay Chandre Pasaol, truly deserving of all the recognition for being our Puso Pilipinas Player of the Game. Well, marami pa po, 2 games pa natitira ha. So just stay with us, we'll be right back.
Magaan haluin, kaya magaan idikit at masilyahin ang Woodworks. Yan ang Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Kasama mo sa lahat ng laban. Gawa ng Bostik.
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Tampo si Babes, di ko daw siya sinu-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapapost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!